Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I want to do a quick short review on the DEWENWILS 25-foot extension cord and hose reel. Picked this up off of Amazon, and so that's what the box looks like. It does also come, if you don't like yellow, I think that you can get it in different colors. I think red might be one of them. But here it is. This thing weighs less than 3 pounds. It's got a really sturdy plastic case around it. You can see real quick, that's the back side, that's the front side. Comes with 4 additional grounded plugs. Okay, it's got a 13 amp breaker on it, built in. And what really makes it great is you can reel that bad boy up. And here's what I got it for. And here, because you might be thinking, well, you know, what's so great about an extension cord? Well, there's there's several things. One, it weighs less than 3 pounds. 2, it's got 4 additional plugs in it. And it has a 13 amp breaker on it. Now, I carry this traveling, and you know, you could carry it in your truck, in the toolbox. If you go out on job sites and you need a quick, short plug, you can plug in, and then you can plug several devices in, like your laptop. And this is what I do. I carry it with me so that when I travel, a lot of times in hotel rooms, there's limited plugs, limited outlets, and you can plug this in. You can sit down then and plug in your laptop, your phone charger, and anything that you might need while you're on site. And when you're done, you just take the reel it up, lay it down flat in your carrying case, or put it back in your vehicle, and it's just super easy and super convenient to carry and take with you. Now, I've had a couple of these before, and I've never been disappointed. I love it. I even take these. I have one in my shop, which is this one, but I have a different color, and I'll take it and plug it to my outside plug. And then I can, plug in my radial saw, my table saw, and several different tools that I can use outside instead of in the shop. That way I don't have sawdust everywhere. So anyway, you're looking for something that's portable, works really well, easy to keep organized. You can take it with you wherever you go. Has the built-in handle, weighs less than 3 pounds. Check out this DEWENWILS 25-foot retractable extension cord with the 4 grounded plugs and a 13 amp breaker. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more deals like this. I'll put a link in the description below in case you want to check one of these out and make it one of your traveling companions too. Till next time, stay safe.